Today I'm going to show you how to make jute flower number 5. If you don't have burlap, you can make your flowers with felt or even denim. I started out by drawing the shape of a petal on a piece of paper and cutting it out. And then I traced around it on my burlap. I have my little jar of water and I have my hot glue gun. Put a small line of glue along your outline. Place the rope down in hot glue. Wet your fingers so you don't get burned. Hot glue will not stick to wet fingers. And finish this up. Like that. On the inside, I'm going to put a row of light colored yarn. Like that. And then I'm going to hot glue a Q-tip down the center. Like that. And trim that off. And you're going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. Cut them out. Like that. And then I cut a small circle of burlap. So I hot glued the petals by gluing one here. So that's like this one. And then I went directly opposite. And then I just divided the other two between these two. To make the center tuft, I wound some yarn around 3 fingers. Then I slid it off, tied another piece of yarn around the center, open the loops, and then I spread them out and trimmed it evenly around. Like that. Then I glued my little puff of yarn over the center. And then I glued on a light colored button and a dark button, and then I added a flat pearl in the center. So that's how easy it is to make jute flower number 5. And that's flower number 5, and these are the flowers from previous videos, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and today's flower number 5. And I'll put the link below for all these different flowers.